Radhe Radhe. Your question is how to become rich and how to preserve my wealth and make it grow. There are small faults or mistakes that represent obstacles in becoming rich. It is said that money earned through effort always brings happiness and prosperity to a man. This is what the Holy Scriptures, the saints, and the elders say. First of all, when you earn some money, from wherever, through whichever effort, you should take that money and offer it to your chosen deity. If you have a temple in your house, your chosen deity, you should offer the money saying, "Please accept this money that I have earned from your mercy, through my efforts," and leave it there for a short while. The Lord is also pleased that you offer it to Him. After that, greet the deity and take the money with modesty and love. And after that, use the money in the way that I am just going to tell you. There are a few rules to observe. If you use the money in this way, you shall never be poor. You shall never experience any shortage of money. You shall always stay rich, live in virtue, and do good deeds. And you shall give happiness and prosperity to the people around you, to your relatives and friends. Number one, you should never keep the money in your purse or wherever you keep it, all creased together. Money should be always kept straight and even in its own shape and should be kept clean and neat, because your money increases gradually in steps, and these steps should be like when you have 2,000 rupees, 2,000, 1,000, 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10. You should keep the banknotes sorted in this way, in one bundle, all facing the same direction. This is very necessary. What is the effect of it? The energy of wealth is attracted towards you, and your wealth becomes stable. When you keep your money in a purse, then sort it and arrange it nicely. Have respect for your money. Take proper care of it. If you do so, your wealth will grow. It won't decrease. Number two, when you go somewhere with your money in your purse, in your wallet, and you keep your wallet on your bottom, it is a mistake too, because it is wealth, and wealth should always be kept in front. If you keep it back, it will go back, while you keep going ahead. So in this manner, it will slowly be finished. This is true. Those people who keep their wallet here, they spend their money quickly. Because this is not a good place. The money things go out, run away from him, and it goes away quickly. Therefore, have respect for your money and keep it in front, here or here. If you do so, you will stay happy and you will attain stable wealth. Number three, Many people have the habit of counting money with their fingers moistened with saliva, or giving and accepting money with dirty hands while eating. This is a mistake, impurity, not purity. Money is pure, and the more purity you will observe while accepting and giving money, while storing and taking care of money, the more your money will grow and increase. So always keep your money clean and pure. Do not make it impure. Think about it this way. If you stain your scarf or cloth with impure food, you wash it. But if you stain your money, you don't wash it. Will such money stay with you? No, it won't. So, respect your money, give it purity, and you will quickly start becoming rich. Just try it and see for yourself. Number 4. Whenever you earn some money through your work, through your business, then immediately put a part of that money aside for donation. When you count how much you got, and according to the Vedas, it should be 10%. Put aside from your money whatever is your capability, 10%, 5%, and keep it separately. The money for donation here and your money here. And with that, do some good work. Your part of the money should be used for your family, relatives, for yourself, for food and drink, to make your life happy, to build your house, or to accomplish any other great work you decide to. Your wealth will keep growing and making you happy. Number 5. How to use your money correctly and properly. When you go shopping to a market, then before you go, you should prepare a complete shopping list, what to buy. And then you should buy just the items you have on the list. Often you go to the market and then you buy more than you need. You also buy some unnecessary stuff. This is unnecessary waste of money. A wise person only buys what is necessary. If you buy an unnecessary thing, it will only take up space in your house. So it is wise to spend your money according to necessity. And if you do so, the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, is pleased and lets your wealth grow. So use your money in this way, and it will constantly grow. Number 6. Wealth should be used to support and nurture your family. First of all, to support and nurture the elderly people in your house, your grandparents, parents, then your uncles and aunts, whoever. The elderly people should never suffer any difficulty, and they should be given money. When you give money to the elderly people in your house, to the old mothers, a very good feeling arises in their mind, a good energy arises, and they are happy. Oh, my son, my grandson gave me this money. And with that happiness, they give you the blessing, and your wealth will increase through that too. Your family should live happily, should stay together and be joyful. This will make your wealth grow too. So use your money in this way. If you have money, and a very dear friend of yours or your relative is in need, if they face any trouble, pain, illness, then you should give them some money to help them overcome their illness, trouble or pain. The goddess of wealth Mother Lakshmi, likes to end any person's suffering very much. Removing someone's pain makes Mother Lakshmi very happy, and your wealth will grow through that too. It also pleases your inner heart. The burden of the soul becomes lighter. The soul gives up dirtiness and receives purity. And this will make your wealth grow too. But be careful not to neglect your own needs. Do not suppress them. You should only do this after fulfilling your own necessities. Number 8. When you have money, when you manage to collect some amount of money, you should immediately invest that money somewhere. Make it busy somewhere. For example, buy some land, buy a house, or invest in anything else that you expect to grow in its price. You should not let your money rot. If money brings increase, it will also continue to give you happiness and will make you rich in the future. Money should never be brought to a stop. It should always be kept moving and increasing. This will make your wealth grow too. Number 9. The goddess of wealth is Mother Lakshmi, and the god of wealth is Kuber. So, whether you have money or not, whether it is on its way, the moment you receive your money, you should certainly remember the goddess of wealth, Mother Lakshmi, and her husband, Lord Narayan. And you should thank to the god of wealth, Maharaj Kuber, and ask him for mercy. He will be pleased by that, and your wealth will grow and increase. Number 10. You should never keep your money at an impure place. It should always be kept at a very clean place. Be it your wallet, be it your purse, you should clean it every other day, so that you know how much money you have with you. In the same way, if you keep your money at home as a packet in your trousers that you just hang somewhere, then it is not correct. You should not keep your money in your dirty trousers. You should take it out and place it above your home temple. Or if you do not have a temple, then you should keep the money in the northeast corner of your house. And wherever you keep your money in your house, be it a locker or a cabinet, you should place some camphor in it. Camphor, it is called kapur. Firstly, the money will not spoil, and secondly, Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam, the growth of prosperity from the fragrance. It means you will always experience growth and success. So keep your money in this manner, use it and utilize it in this manner, and you will become rich. There is no doubt about it.
Radhe Radhe. Sri Ram.